Hey, this is Sluice. We're going to play Austern and Centurion. Thanks for listening. I'm flying on my Roman commander, cutting air cuts my face. And whose skin is this? And whose neighborhood? There's my mom. Where are my sisters? Where's my paw? Where's my baby? I'm flying on my Roman commander, just like that night when we snuck out and lay by the creek, so sweet, for hours, for hours. Poison ivy, I got that itch, I got it back. And it feels so good. It feels so good to burn it. In scalding water, worth reckless cycling. I'm flying. be back on WXYC. We're all avid listeners. Go Pack. I mean, Avery, nice work on the beard trimmer over there.
Thank you.
That was cool.
Think it's looking good?
Yeah. I'm bummed I already made the state rivalry joke because this song is heavily influenced by a big rival of this school, UNC Asheville. That's a joke. But go Bulldogs. This song's called New Leicester. Watching the beautiful girlfriends get ready for the party. In the only bathroom of your small house, is a precious thing. I accept the tequila has guessed and flip through your bookshelf. Tonight her friends will be married. Tonight they will be. And Baton Avenue is congested. With thread lights from here to New Leicester. Too much, I sing too loud at the moth light. And I feel alone again as I watch Maid and Efficient dance so sweet. Gotta get out, gotta talk to my old friends. May not see them tomorrow, and I love them. Gonna get out of this hostel. Gonna go back home. Gonna go back to the rat's nest. Like Emmy said. She said, all you gotta do is go to sleep. Sleep on an inner tube, giving myself to it, giving myself to all that is beautiful. hindsight, she said, existential confusion reads as joy. So I'm floating, oh, I'm floating. Oh, I'm floating. Oh, I'm floating. Could you pass me a beer? Oh no, it fell in the river. Hey man, that's alright. Good night. Thank you. Avery, could you pass me some water? Thanks. We're gonna play another one. These songs have been off a record we put out last year called Radio Gate. We're gonna play one more from that record, and that one's called Mill. Thanks. There's a picture of my brother-in-law on the wall here, which makes me feel very at home. Shout out to Tyler Fitch, DJ Ti-Fi. Okay, this one's called Mill. The path is covered in glass, where the mill workers buried all their trash. But the river bends to a pool. It is deep, you can jump, it is cool. The paramedics and ranger were blasé. The guy who fell, he could walk, he seemed okay. Everything got so dark and we are dying. Somewhere out of sight, that damn chainsaw still trying to rip us out. I'm gonna do you dirty, I'm falling hard. I'm gonna do you dirty, the government, you should punish it. Count the rings in there, watch me sink in there. What's the problem, man? That you feel so bad, that you started it, or was it your dad? What's the problem, man? What's the problem, man? What's the problem, man? Thank you. That's Libby Rodenbow on the fiddle.
I don't know which camera to look into.
We're gonna play a new one. So we got Libby Rodenbow. We got Oliver Child Lanning on the keys and the harmonies. We got Avery Sullivan on the harmonica and the beard trimmer. And that's the gang. Mind blue, it just can't relate when we say how much we like to be. Fuzzy from sweat and heat. Like an animal without language, like the dog sprinting after the deer, ripping his old legs out his hips. That'd be the way I wanna go, I say. Dad nods, he says him too. That'd be the way I wanna go, I say. Dad nods, he says him too. Poor Dad'd go head and overhead, hard to back of court, and never see the ball. My laughs and disagrees, pours the coffee, flips the bacon. Me and Bluey drive down to the dock, singing Alan Jackson. Nothing bites, but it doesn't matter. It's cool when the stars are good. And I think about being very wrong, about needing to be the animal chasing, when you could be the sleeping dog on the vinyl boat cushion. And I think about being very wrong, about needing to be the animal chasing, when you could be the sleeping dog on the vinyl boat cushion. Yeah, that's a new one on a new record that we are very close to being done with, and hope we can get out into the world soon. Is that an exclusive announce? That's exclusive.
Exclusive.
I just dropped exclusive, I think we're gonna play one more kind of long one. This is a Bruce Springsteen cover of a song called Highway Patrolman. Yeah. Sco Boss. We have a version of this recorded that our friends at Big Hug Records put out on a compilation recently as a fundraiser for buying eSIMs for people in Gaza that you can still purchase if you're interested on their website. My name is Joe Roberts. I work for the state. I'm a sergeant out in Perrinville, barracks number 8. I always done an honest job, as honest as I could. I got a brother named Frankie, and Frankie ain't no good. Ever since we were young kids, it's been the same come down. I get a call on the shortwave, Frankie's in trouble downtown. And if it was any other man, I'd put him straight away. But when it's your brother, sometimes you look the other way. Me and Frankie laughing and drinking, nothing feels better than blood on blood. Taking turns dancing with Maria as the band played Night of the Johnstown Flood. I catch him when he's straying, teach him how to walk that line. Man turns his back on his family, he ain't no friend of mine. Frankie went in the army in 1965. I got a farm to Furman, settled down, took Maria for my wife. But then wheat prices kept dropping until it was like we were getting robbed. Frankie came home in 68, and me, I took this job. Yeah, we're laughing and drinking, nothing feels better than blood on blood. Taking turns dancing with Maria as the band played Night of the Johnstown Flood. I catch him when he's straying, like any brother would. Man turns his back on his family, well, he just ain't no good. The night was like any other, got a call about 8:45. There's trouble at a roadhouse out on the Michigan line. There's a boy lying on the floor looking bad, bleeding hard from his head. There's a girl crying at a table, and it was Frank, they said. So I went outside and jumped in my car, and I hit the lights. I must have done 110 through Michigan County that night. And it was out at the crossroads down by Willow Bend. I seen a Buick with Ohio plates, behind the wheel was Frank. chased him through them county roads till the sign said Canadian border 5 miles from here. Pulled over to the side of the highway and watched his taillights disappear. Yeah, we're laughing and drinking. Nothing feels better than blood on blood. Taking turns dancing with Maria as the band played Night of the Johnstown Flood. Catch him when he's straying, teach him how to walk that line. Man turns his back on his family